Hello, here I am again, and today I am in Rhymney. I wanted to look at that area there. Do you recognise it? Some of you will as you pass it every day, the older generations. Well, it is in fact that Carno Bridge. Look how the trees have overgrown. Look how that's grown. I'm hoping to video a little bit around it. Let's get into the dark a bit here. Can you see that? So that is Carno Bridge in 1983, 84. And look at it now. I noticed they've been doing a little bit of work to it today. I'm going to be a bit cheeky. I'm going to try and get some filming of the area. Why not tonight? There's Carno Bridge. All its glory. If I can get past here. And as you can see, they have been repairing it. So I can have a little nosy down here. I'm going to video it. Yeah, I seen them repairing it earlier today. This is a chance to get up close, safely really. This Carno Bridge is a mystery here. Wow, look at that. I remember as a kid standing on this bridge years ago and seeing loads of rats up there. God, it's a mystery in this bridge. See, they put scaffolding here to repair it. Some of the bridges I guess no more by. Okay, well, look at this bridge has done over the years. Look at that. I cannot believe how much it's overgrown, this area. 40 years ago when I was here last. There's some nice film by here because they won't be able to come down by here again. They've got a scaffolding here at the moment. So this is my chance to get down into the bridge, under the bridge I should say. How many of you passed over this bridge over the years? Anyway, as I said, you see the scaffolding they put in place here to repair it, which is brilliant. Temporary, of course. Brilliant. They've had to cut these trees away, looks of it. There's some repaired stone there. What they've had to do. I remember a little boy got killed down here years ago on the side there, on that banking. I think there used to be a bit of a coal under there, and I think he suffocated. He caved in on him. Back in the 1960s. Sad story. I think it was in around there on the banking where them trees are now. As I said, these trees have gone nuts. Well, it's nice to get a glimpse inside the bridge. Lovely. Just going to leave the film for a minute. That's Carno Bridge in all its glory being repaired. As you can see, there's scaffolding all around, like I said. Doing a lovely job. Let's get another angle. Look at that. These trees, wow. So there we have it, Carno Bridge. See if I can catch it from the other side. Don't think I can, there's so many trees here now, I can't. A glimpse from the bridge. You all know the area if you're from here, where I am. Oh yeah, this is the area I was talking about. I remember standing here, and that was like watching an ant's nest. It was absolutely full of rats. Leading up to the cemetery there. No rats yet today. Get a glimpse of the bridge from the other side, I think. Let's see if we can catch it down from this side. Look at that. Can I get down there? I think I can. People passing at the moment, so I'm going to leave them go. Some nice angles of the bridge here. Take a little walk down. Little walk down now. If I can get to the bridge from the other side. Looks a bit steep. Let's go for it, is it? Why not? So there we are. I don't think I can go down no further because there's a bit of a height there. Get this angle here. So this is the other side of the bridge now. Get a glaze of the sun. That's the river, the Rhymney River, which is trickling at the moment. Well, there's a couple of angles of the Carno Bridge here. I hope you enjoyed this little video. Leave me a like if you like. I'll catch you again. Bye for now.